So conic conic when E is less than 1, we are discussing about conic, and when it is E is less than 1, then E less than 1, then it is ellipse. So for ellipse, same procedure. F is a focus, f dash, we are writing f dash here, f dash with coordinate hk, it is the focus, then directrix is x plus by plus c, this line is directrix, and your distance between p and f dash, it is this one, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, then the ratio is e, eccentricity. And so pf square is equal to e square d square, d is accordingly x plus by plus c by root over a square plus b square. So equate it, and we are having this equation. And in case of ellipse, another is there, condition is there. So pf plus pf dash, so this point is p, pf, this is pf, and this one is pf dash. So pf dash plus pf is equal to the major axis. So in case of ellipse, these are it is symmetrical about two axes. So one is the major axis. Actually, it is a symmetrical figure, and so it is having a center. So the the diameter of minimum length and the diameter of maximum length. So diameter of minimum length, it is minor axis, and diameter of maximum length it is major axis, and focus always lies on the major axis, and this is, so this length of major axis, this is a dash, and length of minor axis, it is bb dash. And standard equation of ellipse, it is x square by a square plus y square plus by b square is equal to 1. But there are two cases, one is case 1, the other is case 2. So for case 1, it is a greater than b, and the case 2, it is b greater than a. So when a greater than b, means these are this is a, the major axis, half of this major axis, this is a, we say it's semi major axis, and b is, so here this is x square, a is with a square, means this major axis is along x axis. So b is with y, so major axis, minor axis along y axis. And in case of case 2, then b is greater than a. So in case of this, because b is along this y axis, so b is greater than a, means the ellipse is this will be ellipse, it is, this is, so in this case our ellipse will be, this is one is this, so it is greater, it will be like this. So this is b, and this is a, and b is greater than a. So in this case, the focus is, here is some focus, this focus is lying on the major axis, it is on the y axis, etc. So this is standard equation. And when you have to trace the ellipse, you have to find e first. So this is the relation. So major axis, minor axis, you have to find this. So b is major, b is minor, semi minor. So our relation is this. When a is minor, then it is this. So first you have to find which one is less. So here a square is less than b square, so our relation is this one. So this is, and after finding e, you find this ae, this is focus and lying along major axis, and these are vertices, and this is lattice directrix. So x minus a by e is equal to 0, x plus a by e equals to 0. So this is ellipse. And for tangent, this is length of lateral sectum, length of lateral sectum. So whichever is less. So here a square is less, that is why it is length of lateral sectum is 2a square by b. If when b is minor axis, then length of lateral sectum is 2b square by a. So equation tangent to the ellipse, it is x square by b a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So tangent, equation of tangent is this one, x1 plus y1 by this one. So like it is like circle. So in case of circle, what happens? A equal to b. So this means x square plus y square is equal to a square. So this is a circle. So when a equal to b, and like that, our tangent, equation of tangent is this, x1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1. And parametric equation is there. So it is x equal to a cos t, y is equal to a sin t. And condition of tangency, this is y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent if c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Then these are the examples. So trace the ellipse. So to trace the ellipse, you have to find these things. To trace the ellipse, you have to find first you find E, then you find focus, then major axis, minor axis, then directrix, then vertices, then lastly it is length of lateral sectum, and then you have to trace the, you have to draw the ellipse. So this problem you see. So trace the ellipse. So your solution is here given. So major axis is, so here you see this major axis. So major axis, semi-major axis, semi-major axis 3. So A is actually semi-major and B is semi-minor. So semi-minor axis is 2. So our E is, we are having this one. So when you are to, so X is along, so major axis, minor axis. So major axis is along X axis. So it is 3. This is minus 3 and it is 2. These are the vertices. Then your focus will be root over 5 means it is 2 point something. So 2 point something, this is focus. So two forces are there. So this is focus. Then length of lateral sectum is 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 2 point some 8 by 3 means this is half 4 by 3. So it is 1 point something. So it is somewhere here. So this is lateral sectum. Then this one is lateral sectum, and your directrix is 9 by root 5. So 9 by root 5 is 3 point something. So it is here. So this is I can this is directrix, this is directrix, this is directrix. Two directrices are there. Then you draw the curve. So your ellipse is now ellipse is this one is lateral sectum will be here. So this is ellipse. So you have to first you find these things, then you draw this figure. So in a similar way you have to do these things. And other problems are, so these are trace the ellipse. So this type of problem number 10 you must see. Yes, then this 10 problem 10 this you can see, this which number 7. So it is this one, 9x square plus 5y square minus 30y. So you write it like that, then you convert. So u is equal to x, b is equal to y minus 3. So this becomes standard equation. So standard equation, so it is when you are changing the axis. So UV axis, so UV in terms of UV, so this is your UV axis is, so this is V equal to 0, this is U equal to 0, and this is V equal to 0. So this is the coordinate system for this V equal to U equal to 0, V equal to 0. So this is, so it is the ellipse with major axis root over 5, sorry, major axis 3 and minor axis root over 5. 3 is along this axis. So this is our ellipse, major axis along this one. So we are tracing this one. But when you are coming back to xy system, our y axis is this one. This is y axis, this is x axis. So our trace is like this. So this is x axis, and this is y axis. So our ellipse is like this. And next problems are, oh, it gets cut out. So this we do it, and it is, this figure is like this. This figure is like this, and this is another axis. So this one is x minus 3 whole square by, just like the example 7, same one. And in that case it was vertical, now it is, in that case focus is along y axis, and this time focus is along x axis. So similar problem. Then equation of the ellipse whose center is the origin and whose axis is the coordinate axis is of the form this one. So we are finding equations of ellipse. Some clues are given. So it passes to 2, 2, 3, 1. Then you can find E you find, A, B you find, and you will have the equation of the ellipse. Then these are tangents. Tangents, you find that formula. X1 by a square plus y1 by b square is equal to 1, etc. So these are tangent formula. After getting tangent, so this is tangent, and x plus thrice y plus equal to 5 is tangent. Then you find normal, because normal is, so if this is the ellipse, if this is the point and you are drawing tangent, then our normal will be what? Normal will be like this one. So it is perpendicular. So normal is perpendicular. So if x plus thrice y equal to 5, so this one is thrice x minus y plus k equal to 0, and you find k because it passes to the point of contact. Our point of contact is 1, 4 by 3. So you can find normal of the equation of normal. So in this way you find tangent and normal, and then this is all over. You see the examples. Then hyperbola. So in case of hyperbola, it is, so this is hyperbola. In case of ellipse, we are having two foci. This is there also we have two foci, and two foci. Then these are the foci, this one and this one. This is so case 1, case 2 here. Here is no case for a greater than b or b greater than a, nothing like that. But which one is positive? Here x square by a square, it is positive. This is positive, and this is minus. So this is negative, and that is why this x square by a square we say transverse axis. Here y square by a square, y axis is transverse axis. Means transverse axis means the focus lies on the transverse axis. So this is transverse axis. It is the shape goes like this. Here is no curve. The curve, this is the point. Here is a vertices, and it goes away from this. So no value here. then this is foci. And in case of this one, y square is positive, so transverse axis is along y axis. So this is case 2. Here is no a greater than b or b greater than a, nothing like that, but only you see which part is positive. Here x is positive, that is transverse axis is along x axis, and here y is positive, transverse axis is along y axis, like that. And other formula are same. This is a0 minus a0, directrix is same. These are vertices, only 2 vertices are there, only 2 vertices. So this is your hyperbola. And examples, or there is rectangular hyperbola. So here e square, e is greater than 1, e is greater than 1. So e is greater than 1, so our hyperbola equation, when a is equal to b, a is equal to b, then our focus e is what? E is equal to a square. In this case, e is equal to e is equal, e square is equal to 1 plus b square by a square, b square by a square. So this is e. B, where b is the conjugate axis, a is the transverse axis. And when a is equal to b, then e is equal to root 2. So this is, so this is rectangular hyperbola, e is equal to root 2, and tangent is same. After finding tangent, you can find normal. This is parametric equation, and condition of tangency here is this: c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. So this one. And these are examples. You can, like ellipse, you can do these things, and you see. So same problem, same procedure, same problem. When you are to trace, first find, we are tracing this. So first you see which one is transverse axis. Which one is transverse axis? These 2 examples you see. This is x square by 4 minus y square by 25. Here it is y square by 4 minus x square by 25. So these are same, but only you see this part is different. So here y is positive, here x is positive. So this parabola is same parabola. This will be it will be it is along transverse axis is along this. So this one, and in case of this one, it is here. So xy, but r is e are same. So here e is root over 29 by 2. Here also e is same, root over 29 by 2. Here also it is root over 29, same value, but here it is focus is 0 root over 29, and in this case here focus is root over 29 0. It is in x axis, and this is in y axis. This is in y axis, the same thing. So you practice this problem, go through these things, do it yourself, and you will understand all these things. So thank you.